Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. A massive thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for always supporting me. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and it will mean a lot to me. Thank you all so much. So today I'll be showing you how I made this buttery and mouth-watering seafood boil in the pot. It is so buttery and absolutely juicy that you would want to try it out. To know how I made it, please keep watching. Don't forget to hit the like button as well to motivate me. So for my ingredients, I'll be using corn, potatoes, lobster, crabs, seafood mix, king prawn, langoustine, fresh herbs, which I'm going to blend with some onions and Scotch bonnet pepper. And I have my dry herbs and some seasoning. I have my cooking butter. I'm going to blend all together. So pot here, I'm adding some onions, my Knorr vegetable stock. Next, I'm adding the potatoes, the sweet corn, some garlic powder and ginger powder, and I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes. So here our corn and potatoes are all ready. Now I'll be making the sauce. So I've heated my butter and I've added some garlic. I'm going to saute for a few minutes until the oil is fragrant. Please ensure the garlic is not burnt. Now I've added the blended herbs. For full ingredients, please check the description box. Next, I'll be adding the Old Bay seafood seasoning. Yeah, you can never go wrong with this Old Bay seasoning in all your seafood recipes. If you've never tried it before, please give it a go and you will enjoy it. Next, I added some sea salt. You can use whatever type of salt that you normally use. Now I'm adding the parsley and oregano. So I combined together for all the herbs to mix properly. So I added the crabs, the lobster and the langoustine before the prawns and the other seafood mix because this takes a little longer to cook, or the mix from crabs, lobster and langoustines are tougher than the other seafood. So I'm going to cook this for 3 minutes before adding the other seafood. I can guarantee you the aroma from here is out of this planet. Trust me. And we've not started the main, but the aroma coming out is out of this place. So now 3 minutes over, I've added the other seafood mix. I'm going to cook for another 4 minutes before adding the potatoes and the corn. Now our seafood sauce is ready, so all I have to do now is add in the potatoes and the cooked corn. Make sure the sauce goes around everything in the pot. Yeah, you can see this looking so inviting. Trust me guys, this is the best and healthiest seafood boil. It is perfect, it's not salty, it's so tasty. You can have this for your family dinner, on your special occasions like birthdays, Christmas, Easter. Trust me, you can never go wrong with a pot of seafood boil. It's so tasty, so delicious, so healthy. Everyone will keep asking for more. Also, the juice, or the sauce rather, it's so juicy, so finger licking. Try this recipe if you have never tried it before. I guarantee you will love it. Can you see the pot? Look at all the seafood in there saying hello. Look at the corn. I'm a corn lover. I love eating corn, guys. I love corn. I love corn. Now imagine having your corn with this type of sauce, buttery sauce, juicy sauce. Hey, you will keep asking for more. You keep asking for more. If you're a seafood lover, corn lover, potatoes lover, then try out this recipe this weekend. Try it out. Look at that. Look at the corn. Look at the corn. Look at the lobster legs. Guys, you need to try out delicious seafood boil in the pot. You can also use the boil in the bag method. So that one, you add everything in a bag, oven proof bag or cooking bag. You seal it, you boil in the pot, or you grill in the oven. Thank you all so much for supporting me. Let me know in the comments any recipe you would want me to cook. Also, if there's any way you think I should improve in this recipe, I'll be very happy to hear from you. And if you used this recipe as well, do let me know if you enjoyed it in the comments. Thank you so much for always. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have not already done so, hit the like button to motivate me more. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.